Here I have Nokia C31, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the storage section, then go to the switch from this device to SD card, then tap on three dots and select format. Then select format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card will be formatted and ready to be used in you. So as you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.